Today I've got two Hemi motors and we're going to put them into this ram to make a V16. Nah, just kidding, but wouldn't that be awesome? Now the plan today is actually we're going to take this motor, put it in here. We're going to take this motor and we're going to put it in there. We're going to take the afternoon, install these, and we're going to fire it up, and you're going to hear the difference, and I'll tell you at the end of the video what the difference is. It's actually surprising and pretty cool as far as doing installations from here on out. So let's get started.